Now, find the image of the point 163 in the line x upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3, and we have already done this question. So, now we are going to use an alternating method. Whatever you think is easy, either the last one or this one, go for that. Okay. So, now let point R with the coordinates alpha, beta, gamma. Here in the figure, this is point P and this is point R. Okay. Let point R alpha, beta, gamma be the image of point P 163 in the given line x minus 0 upon 1, y minus 1 upon 2, z minus 2 upon 3. So, let this be equation number 1, given line. Now, point M be the foot of the perpendicular, from point P 163 let point M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from, okay, it looks better, it sounds better. Now, point M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from point P to the given line, that is number 1. Given line you can write here this one. Okay. Now, the coordinates of any general point on the given line, that is 1, on the given line the coordinates of any general point on the given line are, now, x minus 0 upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3 is equal to lambda. So, we can write like this, and the coordinates are, the coordinates of any general point on the given line are, now how to write the coordinates? X is equal to lambda, y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 and z is equal to 3 lambda minus 2. So, these are the coordinates. Okay. Now, M lies on the line x minus 0 upon 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 3. Therefore, coordinate of M will be same. Okay. So, the coordinates of M are lambda, 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda minus 2. Now, let this be equation number 2. Now, direction ratios direction ratio of M are proportional. Therefore, now direction ratio of M are proportional to P, or we can write it direction ratio of PM. Okay. So, this becomes lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6 and 3 lambda minus 2 minus 3. 3 lambda, sorry, here it will be plus 2. 3 lambda plus 2. So this becomes 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3. Now, and this implies lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 5 and 3 lambda minus 1. Now, direction ratios. Of line 1 are 1, 2 and 3. Now, since PM is perpendicular on given line, therefore direction ratio of line with direction ratios of line PM. So 1 with lambda minus 1 plus 2 with 2 lambda minus 5 plus 3 with 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have done? We have used A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Now solving, let's solve it. Now we are having lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 9 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. So this becomes 14 lambda minus 14 is equal to 0, and this implies lambda is equal to 1. Now, substituting lambda is equal to 1 in equation 2, we get coordinates of M as now 1, then 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5. Now these are the coordinates of point M. Now point M be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P to the given line. Now M is the midpoint of PR as R is the image of P. Therefore, PM is equal to MR. Now, using midpoint formula, alpha plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1, beta plus 6 upon 2 is equal to 3, and gamma plus 3. Now 1, 6 and 3 are the coordinates of point P. Upon 2 is equal to 5. 1, 6 and 3 coordinates of point P, and and this 1, 3 and 5 coordinates of point M. So we are using midpoint formula here. Now alpha plus 1 is equal to 2, then beta plus 6 is equal to 6, gamma plus 3 is equal to 10, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 0, gamma is equal to 7. So these were the same answer what we got in the last module. Okay, hence coordinates of the image, that is R, image R are 1, 0 and 7. Now this is the answer.